how to fix mail app not loading emails on your iPhone. So for that, here are the several steps that you can try to fix the issue. Very first step is that you have to check your internet connection. Instead that your iPhone is connected to a Wi-Fi or mobile data. And you can check this by opening up your Safari or other app that requires an internet connection. So here you can see that I am connected to this internet. So if you are connected to the any internet or data, here you have to open up your cellular, you have to open up your Safari or Google Chrome and check that your internet is working properly or not. Here you can see that. On the number second, you have to restart your mail app. So you have to double tap on the home button. So if you have open up your mail app here on your iPhone, then you have to just go and swipe down here and you have to simply swipe it off, and then you can again go and open it. So from that you will successfully restart your mail app. If that also doesn't work, you have to restart your iPhone. Hold down the power button and the volume up button until the slide to power off slider appear here. And here you can see that you have to slide to power off. After that, you have to wait for a few seconds and you can turn your iPhone back on here. Once your iPhone has been successfully restarted, you have to check your mail setting. Go for your setting here. Under your setting, scroll down. So you have to go for your setting and tap on the app option and go for your mail app here. Once you are on your mail app, so here you can find your mail account. So under your mail account, make sure the account is listed and the settings are current here. So the settings are correct. So here you have to just go and remove your mail account and then you can add your account here. You can see that. So if this doesn't work, you have to look for the update here on your iOS. Go for your general option, tap on the software update. If there is any update available, then you have to just go for the update option here. So that's it. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.